Good morning, kids! I am your teacher, Teacher May, and today we are going to learn English. How are you today? I am fine. Say, I am fine. Great. Okay, before we start, let us sing a song. Are you ready to sing a song? Okay, let us sing a song. Repeat after me. Okay, let us sing a song. Five little ducks ran out one day, oh far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back. 1, 3, 4. Ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but all came back. 1, 2 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. One little duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. One little duck quack, quack, quack. Oh, little ducks came back. 5 little out one day. Away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. Little ducks came back. Very good. Okay, now we are going to proceed to our lesson. Okay? Listen to Teacher May. Okay? Okay. Okay, let us sing a song. This is about the letters that we are going to study. Okay. Now, before we are going to study or do the action song, first we are going to learn how to sing the song. Okay, everybody say a, 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 a. Very good. A, 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 a. Okay, good job. Now, let us sing the song first, and I will teach you the actions after. Ants on my arm, ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm. One more time. Ants on my arm, ants on my arm, ants on me alarm. Now, let us learn the action of the song. Okay? Put your arms like this, your other arms like this, and then your fingers run to your arms like this, like small little ants. Okay? So you show your hands like this. Or is it Okay, and then you use your other fingers, your fingers, this one fingers, and then move like this. Arms, and then fingers, and then move like this. Okay? Okay, let us try with the song. Ah, ah, answer my arm. Ah, ah, answer my arm. Ah, ah, answer my arm. They're causing me alarm. One more time. Ah, ah, answer my arm. Ah, ah, answer my arm. Ah, ah, answer my arm. They're causing me alarm. Very good. Okay, good job. Now, today our lesson is about letter A. Everybody say A. A. Okay, this is letter A. Everybody say A. Okay, very good. Now, let us know the sounds of letter A. Everybody say apple. Very good. Okay, apple. Okay, good job. Now, look at this picture. Ooh, what is it? Apple. Okay, everybody say apple. Apple. Very good. Next, what is it? Okay, ant. Ant. Very good. Next, this one, airplane. Airplane. Very good. Again, repeat after me. Airplane. Ant. Apple. Good job. Now, please tell me what is it? What is it? Very good. Apple. What is it? Very good. Airplane. What is it? Apple. How about this one? Ant. Very good. How about this one? Airplane. Very good. Now, today our lesson is about letter A. Again, letter A. Very good. So don't forget our lesson is about letter A. A. Sound of the letter A. Ah. Ah. Apple.